Alright, y'all, we out here testing. Benji, Marco, Charlie, Colin, Alex, Mike, BTS setup. Gonna do a little bit of testing. So I'm starting off with the new reds here, and I'm gonna try the silvers on the pro stock. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to stick to the Voodoos and go back to a regular ram just to see how it works. I think the point, the P curve is a bit too much for the Voodoos until I figure it out. So, alright, y'all stay tuned. Marco's over there talking junk. He's running through Taba now. Like, yeah, we're heating the tires up, but hopefully we can make the first hit. I'm about to go into the ESC and play. Benji's a fool. Stingray. I thought it had a little line in the front of it. I must have been mistaken.
What's he on?
VXL, right? That's how I mean.
Go ahead. You lifted early.
Yeah. Get down, Benji. Impress me. What happened there? Remember, no green. I think you even red lighted right
Fucking
there.
steering's back.
That was me, touched the steering. I got nervous. Nice save, bro. Sound like it's gonna spin. Sound like the outlaw car, right? I should have tried a negative 97 first. It's because it got less rotation now, so the tires are just... I didn't do nothing but give it more point and increase the thing on what I could do right now is just go to a faster ramp. We're going for the gusto. We're going for the gusto. Fast Mike. Look, he got the little Willie like me in the beginning. turned the point way down. That was my fault. But I Willie last time out. Alright, y'all, that was my last pass. So as y'all see, I'm working on the front half, right? So I'm not getting mile an hour, but I'm getting the front. I'll start adding to the big end once I feel sufficient with that.
So the fact that he was giving it to you? Yeah.
So it was those tires, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna blink it red.
Yeah.
All right, so for the record, this is Marco's tune-up in this car right now. We're gonna try something to see what happens. Let's see if it holds. What is this tune-up supposed to go?
My A to B.
All right, let's see. Let's see if Marco's A to B gets down with me.
You're not supposed to do that. I didn't record it.
Mine's is a bit faster. Nice let off, man. All right, we're going back with Marco's tune-up. So let's see what happens, y'all. He put a different one in here, so let's see what happens. See if we get off the line. Not again. That's because it's yours. I don't run a linear curve.
You always want the stock car up high.
A little bit more.